Today first review is about Realme 6 Pro and Redmi Note 9 Pro. Hi and welcome to the best budget phone fast review channel. You will get the best info within 5 minutes. We will compare all the phones in the world with the best budget and cheap for you to buy. So keep watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share our channel. Thank you. Okay, before we get started, we would like to inform you that we will also share a list of websites that offer the best price for the budget phone, so you can save more money. Please keep watching this video. Thank you. Okay, today we will review these two phones, so keep watching. Okay, now we will scan the data from the internet. We will see what is the information that we will get from the data. Okay, now we have all the data, so we can compare between these two phones. One of the phone has more advantages compared to the other. So from here you will see that which one is better for you to buy, and we will update the price at the video description below. So the link in the video description will show you the updated price for those phones, so you can compare the price, the latest price, and you can choose which one to buy. So from here we will see which is the best phone for this video. Let us see who is the winner. Okay, now we can see the winner. So now you have option which one is the best for you to buy. So thanks for watching our video. Please keep watching and please subscribe our channel, because we will keep update and we will keep comparing all the phones in the world with the best budget for you. Thank you for watching. Thanks again. Okay, as mentioned earlier, the price is not a flat rate, so the price will be changed in daily basis in this the whole world market. So in order to get the updated price, discount or offer, so you can click the link at the video description, because the link will be display all the updated prices, discounts and offers from all over the world. So please click the link at the video description below. Thank you for watching.